Ellarigu namaskara. Good afternoon to everyone. REVA Imprint is a prominent facet of REVA University in representing the glimpses of schools activity. The event provides an opportunity to the schools at REVA University to showcase their work, an opportunity to learn and inspire to reach higher standards. Today's episode of REVA Imprint is hosted by School of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. A great leader is one who motivates to achieve success. He is an influencer who knows the path and walks on the path. The person who is ready to step on the path towards the success by holding the hand is the true leader. He is our Honorable Chancellor, Dr. P. Shamaraju sir. ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಕುಲಾಧಿಪತಿಯಾದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಪಿ ಶಾಮರಾಜು ಸರ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. It is my immense pleasure to welcome another influencer, a support system and beloved person, Vice Chancellor Dr. M. Dhananjay sir to this event. It is my pleasure to welcome Director, School of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Dr. Rajshekhar P. Mandi sir to this event. ರೇವಾ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರಿಗೂ ಹಾಗೂ ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥರಿಗೂ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಪತ್ರಿಕೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದ ಮಿತ್ರರಿಗೆ ರೇವಾ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾನಿಲಯದ ವಿದ್ಯುತ್ ಹಾಗೂ ವಿದ್ಯುನ್ಮಾನ ವಿಭಾಗದ ಇಂಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಸಂಚಿಕೆಗೆ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಕೋರುತ್ತೇನೆ. I also welcome all my colleagues and friends for this event. School of Electrical and Electronics Engineering takes pride in showcasing its vibrant activities being carried out over the years in meeting the requirements of the students. I request the console to play AV of the school. Leadership is about having a vision and aim, powered by structured vision with untiring workmanship, and is none other than our Honorable Chancellor, Dr. P. Shamaraju.
REVA born as an institute with 200 students and 20 faculty members. Now it has grown to 15,000 students and 1,500 employees. We had only 50,000. Now we have almost 2.5 million square foot. University has grown like a more than what we expected. That is because of the hard work and the contribution from the staff and also the confidence had by the students and their parents. Really, I am thankful to them always. You might have seen me many times talking about the university. Now through Imprint, we are bringing out the achievement of the students, achievements of the alumni, and how they have settled, and how each school is growing, and the contributions of the faculty, director, and everybody in the school. Today we are showing you the imprint of electronics and electrical school. I wish them all the best, and with your support, definitely I have the confidence this school will become a unique school, and the parents and the students will have the confidence, and they will again take their school forward to the next level.
Ellarigu namaskara. Greetings from REVA University. School of Electrical and Electronics Engineering department started way back in 2004, and they did very well for the next 10 years. Then after we became university, we started this school in 2014. The school faculty is well balanced, and the students who passed out are very intelligent, and they got well established and settled in various fields. They have been doing well in their respective chosen fields. The school has got very good research credentials. I wish that this school will grow in a long way, and they will do better service to the society by coming out with various innovations which will help for the society at large. I wish all the faculty and students very best in their endeavors. Thank you.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾನು ರಾಜಶೇಖರ್ ಪಿ ಮಂಡಿ, ರೇವಾ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದ ವಿದ್ಯುತ್ ಮತ್ತು ವಿದ್ಯುನ್ಮಾನ ವಿಭಾಗದ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕ. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮಾರು 500ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ತಾಂತ್ರಿಕ ಕಾಲೇಜುಗಳಿವೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇವಲ ಬೆರಳೆಣಿಕೆಯಷ್ಟು ಮಾತ್ರ ಗುಣಮಟ್ಟದ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವನ್ನು ನೀಡುತ್ತಿವೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ರೇವಾ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಎಂಬುದು ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ. ನಾವು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಸಾಂಪ್ರದಾಯಿಕ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವಲ್ಲದೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ವಿವಿಧ ತರದ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನೀಡಿ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ರಾಯೋಗಿಕ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣದ ಮೂಲಕ ಕಲಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಅವರ ಭವಿಷ್ಯ ನಿರ್ಮಿಸಲು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಅನುಕೂಲವಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. Electrical energy is the richest form of energy and is essential for everybody. In India, about 365 gigawatt power is generated and is transmitted through a transmission and distribution line of about 1,50,000 circuit kilometer. To maintain and operate this huge electrical power sector, more number of electrical engineers are required. The electrical engineers have great opportunity. Even electrical engineers will have opportunities in software companies. Many of our students have been placed in software companies. Curriculum with the help of BOS members from industries and also taking the feedback from students and parents. The curriculum is planned with 4 main streams, that is core electrical engineering with power system, machines, power electronics, communication electronics and computer. The students can opt the stream of their own choice by selecting the soft core subjects. We are concentrating more on project-based learning, wherein we are insisting the students to take up projects in every semester, and we allot the guides to help the students, and these projects are being converted into patents and finally help in paper publications. We are inviting the industry experts who share their experience with our students. We also give the hands-on training to the students to build the circuit, test them, which will enhance the confidence level of the students. Being a chairman of one of the EAC committee at Ministry of Environment, we are providing the expert advice to the ministry and also train the students how to protect the environment by using energy efficient equipment, renewable energy systems, and also energy conservation measures. Therefore, finally, we ensure that the overall development of the students and to make them a good citizen. Thank you.
School of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, REVA University, started with an intake of 18 and now has reached to a level where it is reaching to 1,000 plus students. The visionary leadership of founder chancellor Dr. P. Shamaraju has helped the school grow leaps and bounds, spreading its wings across the academics, research, products, patents, publications, internships, and placements through enriched activities at this school. School of Electrical and Electronics Engineering offers a range of courses in Bachelor of Technology in Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Bachelor of Technology in Electrical and Computer Engineering, and Masters of Technology in Power and Energy Systems, along with research scholars focusing on giving industry-ready engineers to take on real-time challenges to provide feasible solutions to the society in making their life better. Academic programs focuses on outcomes, ensuring students graduate with skills to meet the needs of the industry in today's world. The School of Electrical and Electronics Engineering has convoluted in innovations that has resulted in coming up with products.
Generally, in rural electrical distribution system, voltage unbalance will be there. If any one of the phase goes off, the motor winding will burn. If the voltage unbalance is more, also the motor capacity will reduce and motor winding will burn. In order to overcome these issues, the School of Electrical and Electronics Engineering of REVA University have developed a single phase preventer with voltage unbalanced protection. If any one of the phase goes off, or if the voltage unbalance is more than 15%, the controller will trip the circuit and thereby protecting the motor. Now we will show the demo of the single phase preventer. The voltage is applied, line voltage of 400 is applied. Now all three phases are switched on. You can see R phase, Y phase, B phase. Now this is a single phase preventer. Now we'll switch on the controller. The pump starts and drawing current of 9.146 amps. Water is getting discharged from the pump. Now we'll create a single phase zinc. You can see one of the phase has become 0 and the motor is tripped and current has become 0 and pump water discharge stopped. Now we will show the demo of unbalanced voltage protection. Now we'll switch on the pump and one of the phase voltage we are reducing. At 198.2 volts, around 15% reduction, the motor is tripped and then stopped the motor. Thereby it protects the motor. We have developed the single phase preventer in-house and field trials are being carried out for irrigation pump sets. The proposed work got published in Australian patents and awaiting for the grant status. Once the field trials are successful, then we will go for technology transfers. For that, many industries are being contacted.
Smart futuristic DC-DC LED bulb, occupancy alerting system. The school has supported in developing power supply unit for Jiva Setu, the emergency ventilator built by REVA University. Involvement of students in developing a product with which testing of more than 20 circuits in a single kit, named as self-learning kit, reveals the impact of some of the best practices adopted by the school. The kit is also distributed to PU colleges for the benefit of young minds and to get the feel of engineering world. Mr. Aditya Dilip Nair, final year student from School of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, was awarded rupees 1 lakh prize money by the Department of Telecommunication, Ministry of Communication, Government of India under the 5G Hackathon. The project was selected the best in all India under Environment, Public Safety and Disaster Management category. The culture of research and innovation requires both university and school level leaders to set clear research goals and communicate them effectively. The research team in School of Electrical and Electronics Engineering inculcates research culture by involving in healthy discussions, setting clear goals, and supporting in achieving the targets. The School of Electrical and Electronics Engineering has published papers in peer-reviewed, indexed international and national journals and flagship conferences. The school is reaping rich dividends in incorporating the above said activities, which is evident in terms of patents filed. The school has filed 22 industry-oriented patents that has potential impact. Leading from the front, Dr. Rajshekhar P. Mandi, Professor and Director, School of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, has served as a scientist at Central Power Research Institute, a premier research institute under Ministry of Power, Government of India for more than 26 years. He is appointed as Chairman for Expert Appraisal Committee for Industry 3.0 for Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, where he is providing his expertise in helping the ministry as well as industry in giving environmental clearance for setting up of industries. He served as chairman and member under various BIS committees to prepare BIS standards for electrical appliances. He also served committees as member in setting up of star label for BEE, Government of India. He is a certified energy auditor from BEE and conducted energy audits, electrical safety audits, and power quality audits in more than 100 power plants and 80 process industries across the nation. Dr. BP Divakar, Dean, Research and Innovation, REVA University. Dr. BP Divakar has obtained his PhD from Hong Kong Polytechnic University and served about 12 years at Hong Kong, working on projects related to fuel cells, SMES, HID, and LED lightings and battery management systems. He has published articles in IEEE Transactions and has 2 USA patents to his credits. He has completed a research project under VTU Research Funds. He is the recipient of Meritorious Service Award under the Team Project from Hong Kong Polytechnic University and Award of Excellence for Teaching. He is an international committee member for PSEA conference organized at Power Electronics Research Center, Hong Kong, and international member of IEEE Transportation Electrification Committee. Another distinguished faculty, Dr. Santosh Kumar Hampanavar, professor, is well-known researcher in the area of power system, electric vehicle, smart grid. He is appointed as member of Expert Appraisal Committee for Non-Coal and Thermal for Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, where he is providing his expertise in helping the ministry as well as industry in giving environment clearance for setting up of industries. Another eminent professor, Dr. M. Arunachalam, worked in BHEL for more than 32 years in the area of power system and power electronics. He has developed fax controllers and HVDC system in India. He served in various national committees in the area of power electronics and power system.
When it comes to the practical knowledge, faculty of our department have great experience. For instance, our Dr. Arunachalam sir. He has more than 30 years of experience in BHEL. This has really helped us to get industrially ready as well as attain enough knowledge in theoretical concepts as well as real-time concepts.
Involvement of students in enriched pedagogy has earned them rewards at state and national levels. Some of the distinguished achievements of students of School of Electrical and Electronics Engineering are Mr. Vishal being awarded as COVID-19 Warrior, Mr. Tanmay Dattani giving various magic shows across India at prestigious events, depicts the support and encouragement given by the university and school in nurturing the talents in students. On-site teaching, a cutting-edge methodology has given students a whole new dimension of learning the concepts.
What we are doing at School of EEE, we are teaching the practical applications of the electrical things, whatever they are studying to the students. You can see this is a circuit breaker. Even we are asking the students to see the components in the circuit breaker that is in the field available, and then we are asking them to operate. Means by doing this, the students will get a confidence in operating the circuit breakers or even a power plant. Okay, that is what our main aim. This is a male and female contacts. Okay, there it makes a contact. Like that. See, this is a circuit breaker. Air circuit breaker. Yeah, AC clamp meter. It measures the current. Okay, it is set in current amps. Okay, what you have to do is, you can just see this is showing around 12.98 amps. Current is flowing in this.
This is the unique practice being followed only at School of EEE, REVA University. To enhance the practical aspects in terms of working environment, the students are taken to industrial visits to the reputed companies. This provides a platform to the students to interact with industry persons and gain the knowledge from the experts. The Busy Bee, a gigantic project exhibition organized by The Busy Bee Club members of School of Electrical and Electronics Engineering demonstrate 190 plus projects every year. The students have actively participated and have achieved many awards in various competitions. Students have bagged first prize for the project titled Solar Refrigerator based on Peltier Effect at the project exhibition held at the National Institute of Engineering, Mysore. Also, at Vidyapita Expo, hosted by Public TV, the leading electronic media house, bagged first prize with a cash amount of 5,000 rupees and fifth prize for the projects titled a novel smart thermoelectric Peltier module-based gas stove, and a hybrid UAV with inbuilt rover for DRM operation. The strength of the school lies in its strong curriculum, which involves academicians from premier institutes and leading companies across the nation. The school is equipped with state-of-the-art laboratories in machine laboratory, high voltage laboratory, power system simulation lab, analog and digital circuit design labs, electrical and electronics measurement and instrumentation labs, which will help students in realizing theoretical concepts to reality. The department has dedicated faculty with a wide spectrum of specializations such as power systems, power electronics and drives, renewable energy, HVDC, power quality, to name a few.
Choosing EEE was one of the best decisions of my life. EEE is usually considered as a difficult subject, but when I came to REVA, the teachers made the concepts easy with their well-planned curriculum.
Hi, my name is Bangalendri. I am from the Republic Democratic of Congo. I have joined REVA University in 2017, and I chose the School of EEE, as a lot of people think EEE is a very difficult subject, but the faculty made it easy for us to understand. And we had a lot of practical experience. As an international student, if you join REVA University, you'll have good experience. We made a lot of friends, and the subject worked out really good.
Hi, my name is Ishani. I'm a student of EEE studying in REVA University. Labs at School of EEE are very well equipped with latest technologies.
Best Paper Awards at international conferences held across the nations adds testimonial to the research culture at the school. Reputed persons across the fields, including Padma Shri awardee Dr. S.K. Shivkumar, Distinguished Professor and former Director, ISRO Satellite Center, have visited the school and have praised the pedagogy built and have wished wholeheartedly, wishing the success. The school takes pride in organizing international conferences and workshops at regular intervals so as to bring researchers and technical leads under single roof and develop the network. IEEE PES Student Branch Chapter is one such platform where students and faculties of School of Electrical and Electronics Engineering are bringing in technical giants across the nation to help researchers and students in delivering technical talks and research ideas. School of Electrical and Electronics Engineering is committed to offer quality education taught by distinguished faculty members.
I would like to thank the entire management of REVA University, especially our Chancellor Sir and Director Sir, Dr. Rajshekhar P. Mandi, for incorporating the project-based learning and circuit building certification in our curriculum.
Career readiness and employability skills have become an increasingly critical part of education. Employers are desperately seeking people with a combination of skills which not only covers technical or hard skills, but also includes soft skills and life skills. Apart from regular academic sessions, the students are provided with skill development certification programs that enhances the knowledge of students practically. The activities including electrical safety, fire safety, and first aid help students in realizing the fundamental aspects of safety mechanisms. Self-learning and project-based learning methods are employed at all levels that drives the students towards practical approach in solving problems. Higher skill level programs consisting of circuit building and developing of product prototype gives a whole new experience to students in understanding of fundamental theoretical concepts to building systems to provide solutions to societal needs. To instill the belongingness and social responsibility among students' fraternity, the Green Energy Club of School of Electrical and Electronics Engineering has organized a drive in educating and creating awareness to people on energy conservation. To make sure that all students are comfortable and free of anxiety and stress, the school has taken a step in ensuring that students focus on mental relaxation. In association with Sri Ramachandra Mission, school organizes meditation sessions that calms the mind, helps them in increasing concentration and focus levels in setting clear paths towards their goals. Sports is a crucial part of students' growth and keeps their physical and mental health fit. Through participation in sports and games, students gain various skills, experience, and confidence that are helpful for developing their personality. Students from School of Electrical and Electronics Engineering have participated at various levels in cricket, badminton, taekwondo, to name a few.
Hi, I am Vishnu. I am Siddharth Singh from REVA University. I'd like to thank entire management and our director sir for not only encouraging us in studies but also in sports.
An universal language that connects each and everyone is music. Music creates ambience and helps in building imagination. The band of School of Electrical and Electronics Engineering performs and brings the joy across the school through their performance. Cultural events through various clubs of School of Electrical and Electronics Engineering vanishes stage fear that help in building confidence levels of the students. This will in turn benefit in enhancing their academic performance, learning time management, and learning new skills. Social responsibility is also of equal importance. School of Electrical and Electronics Engineering takes initiative to help society in different ways, like helping senior citizens by visiting them and help them in rebuild their confidence and instill life. The placement activities starting from first semester itself in association with REVA CDC has helped students to be placed in some of the reputed companies. Additional training at school level like coding sessions, technical software training in PSIM and MATLAB has immensely helped students in placing in leading companies across the domains with highest packages.
I would like to thank the entire team of REVA University, especially my school director and all my faculty members who have been supporting me a lot during my 4 years of studies. I am proud to say that I have been placed at Capgemini on campus and also given an internship at Capgemini, which has helped me a lot to understand the work culture of the company, for which I can prepare myself pre-onboarding the company. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Lavanya Gowda. I am pursuing in 8th semester Electrical Electronics Engineering in REVA University. I have been placed in DXit technology in the beginning of my 7th semester itself, that is in the month of August. During pandemic situation also, many companies visited REVA University and conducted virtual interviews. And REVA University stood with us and guided and helped us to crack many interviews. I could like to thank each and every faculty of electrical department. A special thanks to our department director, Dr. Rajshekhar P. Mandi sir, who is very supporting and who's always with us in every situation in cracking interviews with respect to placements or whatever. And I could like to thank the whole REVA University for giving us this opportunity during the pandemic situation also. Thank you all. Thank you, REVA.
I'm thankful to REVA University that I got placed in Cognizant Company. I'm grateful to the effort and support that our chancellors have provided us. Job opportunities for every electrical student is very good at REVA University. All you need is hard work and proper guidelines from a faculty member. In this regard, I would like to thank our HOD sir, placement department, and all the faculty members who kept on motivating us throughout the placement drive and supported us by their guidance in each and every step. Thank you so much.
Alumni serve many valuable roles in helping to build and grow universities and schools' brand across the globe. School of Alumni has constantly engaged in schools' activities at various levels, like suggesting upgraded and relevant topics in curriculum, delivering of technical talks, and helping the present students in getting internships and placements.
Hi, I'm Raghuraman, the CEO of RC Labs. I graduated from the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, REVA Institute of Technology and Management in 2012. It's fascinating to witness the growth of the university in terms of both student and faculty strength and also the facilities provided. I was encouraged to participate in a lot of research, co-curricular and extracurricular activities during my study here, and it has had a great impact on my career. Thank my professors, lab staff and the management at REVA for shaping my career thus far. I am proud to share my learning and experiences with the students here as an adjunct faculty. Thank you.
Greetings from Chaitra Bhatpi, Dubai, currently working for Panasonic Electric Works Europe as expert application engineer at Munich, Germany. I'm very happy and proud having obtained BE in Electrical and Electronics Engineering in 2014 from REVA.
I have worked on projects such as the 4-in-1 CNC machine, which was primarily used as a 3D printer. Apart from this, I have worked on projects such as automated motor coil winding machine, 2D plotters, MPPT circuits, audio amplifiers, to name a few. I'm right now working with cloud technologies at Amazon Web Services, and I feel that the multidisciplinary curriculum that was inculcated by the department has definitely fulfilled the prerequisite that was needed in order for me to excel in what I do right now. I would like to conclude by saying that the students are definitely in the right hands.
This is Tanmay from 2019 batch, an electrical engineer, a magician, a mentalist, currently working for Amazon from past 1.5 years. Finally, I would like to thank my professors who have taught me and helped me grow as an individual and make my life easier and joyful.
The school has distinction of having its graduates known worldwide for their contributions and accomplishments in varied domains. It nurtures tradition of providing a free, at the same time an encouraging and motivating environment conducive to an effective learning experience beyond the curriculum.
At School of EEE, we prepare not only graduate engineers, but also professional engineers with blend of theoretical and practical knowledge. We encourage the students to convert their project into patents and then into products. Finally, we transform them to become a job providers rather than job seeker. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now I request Honorable Chancellor, sir, to come on the dais and address the gathering.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಿತ್ರರಿಗೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾನು ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದಾರ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನನಗೆ ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಯೂಶುವಲಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಒಂದೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಅದನ್ನು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ. ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಿಜವಾಗಲೂ ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೇನೆ, ರೇವಾ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ್ರು ಅಥವಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಓದ್ತಿರೋ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಅವರು ಉದ್ಯೋಗ ಕೊಡೋರಾಗಬೇಕು, ಸ್ವಂತ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಅವ್ರು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತಿರೋರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ನಮ್ಮ ಜನಗಳಿಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಸೊಸೈಟಿಗೆ ಏನು ಲಾಭ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಈಗ ನಾನು ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮ ಮಿತ್ರರ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋ ಯಾವ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ, ರೇವಾ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದೇ ಸೊಸೈಟಿನ ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸ್ತಿದೆ ಈಗ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ. ಈಗ ಕಳೆದ 2 ವಾರ ಹಿಂದೆ ನಾವು ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲುಗಳನ್ನ ಅವ್ರು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಆ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಸೊಸೈಟಿಗೆ ಏನು ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಈ ಅವೇರ್ನೆಸ್ ವೋಟಿಂಗ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಮತ್ತು ಯಾವುದೇ ಈ ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ವಾರ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಯಾವ್ದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಆದರೂ ಕಾಳಜಿ ಇದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿಗೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ವಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ಈ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಈಗ ಕೆಲವೆಲ್ಲ ಈ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೋದು, ಅವ್ರು ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಸೆಟ್ಲ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಅದನ್ನು ಈ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವರೇ ಉದ್ಯೋಗ ಕೂಡ ಲೆವೆಲ್ಗೆ ಬೆಳೀಬೋದು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಇದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ. ಐ ವಿಶ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ದಿ ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಓದ್ತಿರೋ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮತ್ತು ಅವ್ರ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಟ್ಟಿರೋ ನಂಬಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮವರು ಉಳಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Thank you, sir. Now I request Honorable Chancellor, sir, to kindly give a memento for our achievements of students and faculties. I would like to call upon Mr. Aditya Dilip Nair on stage for being recognized under the innovative project category. He has been awarded with a cash prize of 1 lakh under the Ministry of Information, Government of India in 5G hackathon event. Now I request Professor Pawan and Mr. Adinarayan Reddy for being recognized under product development category for coming up with single phase preventer which benefits farmers immensely. I request Mr. Vishal Kaushik, who stood firmly during Corona lockdown time and helping the needy, for which he is being recognized as Corona Warrior. I request Mr. Sujit for being recognized under sports category. Mr. Sujit has represented KSEA and has played zonal level at under 16, under 19 and under 23 category. I request Mr. Prapul for being recognized under sports category, where he has represented KSEA again in under 16 and under 19 category. Now I request Mr. Akshay Dilip Kumar, the beatboxer, who has won Colossal 4.0 organized by Beatboxers Club at national level under solo category. He is one of among the top 16 beatboxers in the country. Now I request Mr. Rakshit, Mr. Bhimappa and Mr. Nitin being recognized under Social Outreach and Innovative Club in taking up the lead roles of the school. Now I request Professor Sagar BS for being recognized under Best Technical Paper category. He has been awarded as Best Paper Award at National Institute of Technology, Silchar. I request all the awardees to assemble on stage for a group photo. I request Director Sir and Dr. BP Divakar Sir to kindly come on stage for the group photo. I request Assistant Director Sir Dr. Raghu Sen Sir to come on stage.